I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm really excited to be sharing this video as I am going to be making over my guest bedroom. Now this is the spare bedroom, guys. My son recently moved out of home and purchased his own home, and I was left with this room. Now I had a lot of vision in mind for a beautiful guest bedroom, and what I'm going to be aiming for is a beautiful rustic French provincial theme. So I'm wanting it to have a really rustic glam feel about it with some French provincial touches. So my ideas are this. We're going to first of all paint the room white. It's going to be called Vivid White by Dulux, and I don't know if you can tell on camera, but this room actually at the moment is a very, very light grey. It's probably coming up as white, but what we're going to do is do this really crisp vivid white all the way around the room. But on the back wall, I'm planning to do a feature wall. Now, I've been doing my research. Where I get most of my inspiration is either Pinterest or watching DIY videos on YouTube as well. But what we're planning on doing is we're going to paint this wall a really beautiful French blue, and we're going to do some different architecture. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 3 squares of timber and then a chair rail across the middle. So that's my plan there. I want to go ahead and hang a really pretty chandelier here because this room has always had the most terrible lighting, guys. Like at night, I'll just close the blinds. You can see what I mean here. The lighting is just so bad in here. So I really want to brighten up the space with a really pretty chandelier to go there. Now I'll just open that up again. Now we had, I have to tell you guys, my hubby, he is such a trooper. He always helps me bring my visions to life. Now, what I want to do here, on the wardrobe doors, they're quite narrow, but my idea was I want to do a barn door, a sliding barn door across here. But because of the width of these 2 doors, it's very hard to find a barn door that is this width. So unless I actually ordered a barn door this width, which will probably take weeks, and your girl Chelle does not have patience for that, and also would cost a lot of money, guys. So I want to show you an inexpensive way of creating things with your existing doors and making them into a barn door. So with the help of my amazing hubby, I said to him, how can we create these existing doors into barn doors? So first of all, we were going to go with the 2 single doors, take them off, put them on the track, and then slide across. But then, of course, I had this issue where I couldn't slide. So I wanted to come back with my original vision of how do I make these 2 doors into 1 door. And hubby come up with the most amazing idea, guys. He's going to find a way to join these 2 together, which we will show you step by step. And he also said, let's join them together to create one door. Then we're going to shiplap over the top to give it more support. And then we're going to do a nice crisscross design to make it look like a barn door. So that will be in this video as well. We're going to show you step by step every single thing we have done here. So without further ado, let's get started.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. For I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. For I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah.
So guys, once we'd finished painting with the vivid white, what we did is we took some masking tape and we did an outline of the design we were aiming for. I'd already measured my bed head, so we measured the bed head first of all and then created the design around the bed head.
But letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's
We then headed off to Bunnings to pick out the timber. We ended up picking out this really inexpensive clear pine, guys. It's 19 by 19 millimeters and 1.8 meters long. We ended up picking out 6 of these at $5.40 each. Now, if you're going to take on this project, I definitely recommend you get one of these little angle holders. My husband picked this up from Bunnings as well, guys, and it is a godsend. When you're cutting certain angles to make a frame on your wall, this is a lifesaver. So once my hubby had finished creating them, he then placed them on the wall, this time using some liquid nails as well as some small nails over the top just to secure everything in place.
I look in the mirror, who's looking back at me? I don't know what happened, guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems, I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you.
So I was really excited at this stage, guys, because my vision was really coming to life here, and it was now time to paint the feature wall.
Back when I met you, we were were like fire.
I've mentioned to you guys before that I absolutely love that baby blue colour at the moment, guys. Everywhere I turn, it seems to be in new home decor, and I'm truly loving it. This colour by Dulux is absolutely stunning. It is called Blue Balm, and I really recommend it. If you love that duck egg blue colour, you will absolutely love this Blue Balm.
Try to say goodbye. You know we had our problems, so now we have to try to move on.
So guys, I'm so happy how this is coming. The baby blue is just perfect. Now, it's still wet at the moment. This is the first coat. We're about to go in with the second coat, but I truly, truly love this colour. Now, what I've decided to do is I think I'm going to create 3 videos for you, just purely because we've been working on this all day with the painting and doing the design on the wall. So this will be video number 1. Then tomorrow, we're actually going to start on the barn door. So that will be video number 2, where I'm going to show you step by step in how we're going to create the barn door for this room. And then of course video number 3, it will be for the complete room, the decorate with me, putting all the furniture in, and also adding the chandelier. So I'd like to thank you so much for watching today. Be sure to tap your notification bells, guys, and subscribe to my channel so you'll be aware when the next video uploads. This one will probably go up Sunday morning, and then the second one will probably go up, I'd say, Tuesday morning, and then the reveal will be on Thursday. So make sure you tap your notification bells so if you'd love to see how this room all comes together. But I'm so excited to share it with you. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.